Hey, what's up YouTube? Fritz Jones Investing back with another update. With the business potentially at an important milestone, today we're taking a closer look at NIO Inc.'s ticker symbol NIO future prospects. NIO Inc. designs, develops, manufactures, and sells smart electric vehicles in China and is en route to expand globally. The company recently expanded in Norway just yesterday. NIO just reported their monthly and quarterly deliveries for Q3, and the numbers are above expectations. NIO delivered 10,628 vehicles globally in September 2021, increasing by 125.7% year over year. NIO delivered 24,439 vehicles in the 3 months ended September 2021, increasing by 100.2% year over year. This result beat the expected 22,500 to 23,500 vehicles in their last quarterly guidance. The deliveries consisted of 1,978 ES8s, 5,260 ES6s, and 3,390 EC6s. The company also announced that it had completed its first batch of deliveries in Norway, although no number was specified. As of September 30th, 2021, cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6, and EC6 reached 142,036 vehicles. The company said in a statement, "The third quarter number represents an increase of 100.2% from the third quarter of 2020. Shares have gained more than 400% in the year to date, while the S&P 500 has only gained 14.7%. NIO is making outstanding progress in production and deliveries. They are also pushing a foothold in Europe, and on September 30th, 2021, NIO opened its NIO House and completed its first batch of deliveries in Norway. With the company well on its way to profitability, we wanted to see when it will reach the pivotal moment for investors. The company's loss has recently broadened since it announced a $5.6 billion loss in the full financial year compared to the latest 12-month loss of $8.2 billion, moving it further away from break-even. Many investors are wondering about the rate at which NIO will turn a profit, with the big question being, when will the company break even? According to 21 industry analysts covering NIO, the consensus is that the break even is near. They anticipate the company to incur a final loss in 2022 before generating positive profits of $2.2 billion in 2023. Therefore, the company is expected to break even roughly 2 years from today. How fast will the company have to grow each year in order to reach the break-even point in 2023? Working backwards from analyst estimates, it turns out that they expect the company to grow 93% year on year on average, which signals high confidence from the analysts. If this rate turns out to be too aggressive, the company may become profitable much later than the analysts predict. Given this is a high-level overview, we won't go into details of NIO's upcoming projects, though bear in mind that by and large, a high growth rate is not out of the ordinary, particularly when a company is in a period of investment. So taking debt into account, one thing we would like to bring into light with NIO is its relatively high level of debt. Generally, the rule of thumb is debt shouldn't exceed 40% of your equity, which in NIO's case is 52%. A higher level of debt requires more stringent capital management, which increases the risk around investing in a loss-making company. On the flip side, shareholders love NIO, and the company has a large cash balance, which is partly raised from financing rounds. The company has $46.9 billion in cash, which is around 3 times more than its outstanding debt. The reason debt is a concern is that companies that do not have a profit cannot get the tax advantage of debt. On the other side, debt gives them the funds they need to push faster for capital projects. So these are some key takeaways and next step. NIO posted a record quarter in vehicle deliveries, signaling that the company is well underway to becoming profitable and a large contender in the electric vehicle market. Analysts estimate that NIO will break profit in around 2 years. However, if the company sustains the current momentum, it may surpass expectations and start generating returns sooner. We noted that NIO makes use of debt, but that seems to be of little concern as the company is well funded and has enough cash to cover the debt. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Are you investing in NIO or considering investing in NIO with their record level of deliveries? I'm still investing in NIO, and I'm going to continue to be bullish on the company. And if it turns out to be a loss, then I'll just sell my shares and invest in other kinds of companies. So please don't forget to leave those likes and those comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. This has been Fritz Jones Investing, always reminding you to continue generating your assets and increasing them and decreasing your liabilities, and also keep collecting dividends so that way one day you can retire early and hopefully be able to do things that you want to do. I hope you enjoyed the video today and learned something. This has been Fritz Jones Investing back with another update, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park every night and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you
realize,
broke and poor.
right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, just before